Now, our today's class is divided into three parts. First part, registration with IME for membership and exams and cost. The second part, syllabus of part 2. The third part, I will say syllabus of part 2, how to study, duration, required, importance of different areas in the syllabus, and then the third, starting the class with a particular portion of the syllabus. The today's class is divided into three parts. First part is registration with IME for membership, exams, cost, what is the validity and everything. The second part is relating to syllabus part. What is part 2 syllabus, what is included, which area is more important in the exam, which area is less, nothing like that, but some importance are there. So need to understand how much I need to study, what will be my plan of study. That is second part. And third part, when we complete the registration and syllabus portion, then we will start our training classes. We will start discussing a particular portion from the syllabus. The way I will decide the order in the class. Okay. Now for the first part, registration with IME for membership and exams and cost. It's best that we go on IME website. IME website is imenet.org. imenet.org. This is the institute website. imenet.org. I want to go into home page. This is home page only actually. First of all, let me write there are many things which everybody needs to know. Very important part. And I want that I should not be disturbed after this class. For that reason, it is important more than you for me. It is important more than you for me. imenet.org. That's the website. This is the website of the institute. imenet.org. If we go on the website, there are different tabs. The first tab, if we click, it is giving you what is IME course, what is the benefit, who are doing, where the jobs, about the institute and all that, everything it is saying. And we are not going into overview. But then it is saying getting started. And then it is saying taking the exams. First of all, I am interested in getting started. I am going into getting started. I have clicked that. Once I am choosing getting started, then there are three easy steps to get started. One is enroll in the CMA program, register for the exams, and plan to complete certificate requirements. For register in the program as an enrolled CME candidate, you will also become an IME member and enjoy many membership benefits. As a CME candidate, you will gain access to all the benefits of IME membership. Review the requirement to becoming certified. First of all, I am interested in enrolling in the CME program. For enrolling in the CME program, there is a tab which is click now, enroll now. I will click that later. There is a video also given. I am not clicking that video. Just a request, when anybody is chatting, in the chat box below, there is two. Beside two, there is a drop down. Drop down, select everyone so that everybody can see whoever is chatting, whatever is chatting. Okay. Second thing, is anybody facing problem in audio and video other than Rishabh? Is anybody facing problem in audio or video other than Rishabh? So one more advice, two things. First thing, maybe some few moments when the audio and video is not coming, don't panic. Automatically the things will improve. Automatically the things will improve. First thing. Second thing. The second thing is that if we are doing the class through mobile phone, or maybe we are using mobile hotspot as an internet. In your computer or laptop, you are using mobile internet. Then during the time of class, don't do anything on your mobile phone. Mobile internet is always slow. So if we are not using a landline, a Wi-Fi, or I'm just saying, I'm not knowing who is doing what. I'm just saying that if anybody is doing the class through the mobile or mobile internet, mobile hotspot, during the class, you should not be doing anything on your mobile phone. Otherwise, the further disturbances will be arising. And if you are finding problem for few moments, don't take tension, because at my place also maybe sometimes because of connectivity the connection will lose. I will come back. Generally it is not happening because we have you can say high capacity internet we are using, so generally it doesn't happen, but it can. But at student level they cannot pay so much money, so I can understand. So if 1 or 2 seconds or 10-15 seconds problem is there, don't panic. Okay. So on the institute website, there is a video how to become a CMA member. In that case, the student, I should say that not those who have already joined the IMA website as a member, but those who have not joined, planning to join, should see this video. I am not opening this video. To earn the CMA, you will need to meet the following. Hold an active IMA membership. You need to be continuously the member. Complete and pass part 1, part 2 exams. Hold a bachelor degree. Even though you can give the exams before getting graduated, but you will be getting the membership certificate once you become graduate. Abide by IMA's statement of ethics. Whichever course you do, there is a professional ethics of every institute. You need to be abide by those ethics. Have 2 continuous years of professional experience in management accounting, and then only you will be getting the membership. Just by graduation you will not be getting. At the same time, you need to have work experience of 2 years. Then only you will be getting the membership. That's the conditions I can say. Quick tips, answer all the questions, no or fail. I can say that FAQs are there. Now for fees, which is a most important confusing part in every student. I will say every 100%. The CMA program fees, they are saying CMA entrance fees, which is non-refundable. Once you pay, you cannot claim that, $250. And exam fees $415 per part. That is written for professional members. For students and academic members, the CMA entrance fees is 188 and the exam fees is 311 per part. Generally, the confusion in the mind of the students, that whether I am a professional or I am a student. First of all, according to institute understanding, professional means you are earning. Professional means you are doing job, you are doing your business, you started earning. And student and academic members means you are not earning. Since you are not earning, so the fees is lower by IMA for those who are non-earnings. But then nobody can give a proof that I am earning or not earning, because everybody will say that I am not earning. So the guidelines of the institute is saying that student means those who are still studying in school, colleges, and professional means those who have completed their graduation. So professional members means if I have completed my graduation, whether I am earning or not, they will consider me as a professional. And student means my graduation first, second, third year is still left. I am still in the college. Even though they consider MCOM also as an student, somebody is doing masters, maybe MBA, MCOM, full-time course, or maybe part-time also. They will consider you as a member, as a student. But then in that case, please understand that if for getting the benefit of the fees 250 to 188, 415 to 311, it is a huge saving. And suppose I join in a MCOM master's course. You can say MCOM from IGNOU University in India, Indira Gandhi University. That's a distance learning MCOM. I will be considered as a student, not an issue. The lower fees will be there. But I will be getting my certificate membership once I will show them the completion of my MCOM. Just for joining MCOM to get the fees discount is not advisable. You need to keep in mind that if you are not an MCOM student, just for getting the fees benefit, you are joining MCOM course, join it, but you will not be getting the membership certificate till the time you complete and show to the institute that you have done the MCOM. So my advice generally, whatever videos are there, my advice is generally, if you have completed your graduation, not doing MCOM or MBA, don't join MCOM or MBA to get the student benefit. That is actually in long run will be fatal. Whatever category you are, join in the course on the basis of that category. For professional, you are, according to my understanding, you have completed your graduation. Whether you are earning or not, institute is considering you started earning. And for students, you have not completed your graduation, then in that case, the fees is lower. Now, always, I will say always, whenever you go on social media anytime, they will say that the IMA is offering 50% discount. Always. I will say that in a year more than 6-7 months. Regularly they offer discount. But the discount is never applicable on exam fees. For professional part 1, part 2 exam fees 415 plus 415, which is $830. For student and academician, the exam fees is $311 per paper. So I can say that for professionals, it is $830, and for student, it is $622. Say for understanding purpose, 830 and 620 for understanding purpose. That means you can say that approximately there is a difference of $200. So $200 into 75, if I will consider INR, there is a difference of 15,000 INR. For entrance fees and you can say for student and for professional, 250 and 188. The discount is there on this 250 and 188, and generally it is 50%. That means in place of 250, institute always charging 125 and you can say around 100. But other than that, there is an annual membership fee also. Entrance fee, if treated as membership, then in that case there is a certification fee. They have written IMA membership is additional and also required. I can say that in the initial there are two charges. One is to become a member, you are paying. Member means as either a student member, professional member. To start with the IMA, you need to be first be a member. And then there is a certification fee they charge at the time of membership only. Suppose if I will register now, I need to pay 250 because I am a professional. I am not a, you can say, undergraduate. I need to pay 250 entrance fees and I need to pay 250 certification fees, which is maybe slightly different than 250, but it is approximately that only. In that 250, I will be getting 50% discount. So ultimately what happens? My net outflow is around $250 only. For a student, it is 188, around to coming 350, but they need to pay 50%, so approximately 188. So I'm not going into that nitty-gritties, but just I'm saying that initially when you will register on IMA website, you need to pay two types of fees. One is entrance fees and one is certification fees. For professional, for students both. But since it is 50% discount, it boils down to 250 and 188 only. But the problem is that if I will register today is 25th July 2021, then the membership fee which I am paying is for 1 year. So from 25th July 2021 till 25th July 2022, I will be treated as a member. Member means not a CMA member. I have not given the exam. As a student member. And when 25th July 2021 will come, institute will again ask you the membership fee. At that time, they will not give any discount. At that time, 250 is 250 only. Only at initial registration, there is a 50% charge. Next time when you renew the membership, there is no discount. According to me, that situation should not arise. Because if the course should be completed in 8 months, we are still getting 4 months extra. So why the question will arise that we need to renew the membership? Why? If we are not serious, then in that case, the question will arise. That means there is a waste of money. And at that time, when you renew the membership, they will never offer any single dollar a discount. They will never. They have never offered. They will never offer. And if you don't give that, whatever your exams are left, part 1, part 2, you cannot book your exams because it is written on the institute website. Hold an active IMA membership. If you are not a member, you can't give the exams. You will be able to give the exams if you are an active member. So my suggestion to the student is that what is the purpose if I will say that suppose Arco Duty joined around 5-7 days with us. If Arco Duty goes on the institute website and register as a member, is Arco Duty planning to give exam tomorrow? Is Arco Duty planning to give exam within a month? I don't think so. Arco Duty is planning to give exam in 3 to 4 months. So why to register and why to pay the membership and entrance fee now? Why? What's the thing is going on in your mind? What is the benefit of becoming? You should be becoming the member around 1.5 months before the exam. Now the exams are regularly. So if you become the member, say today, that 1 year will be counted from today. But if suppose you become the member in say September mid. If you become the member say 15 September, after studying 2 months approximately, getting a hold, getting a confidence, then you become the member. So your 1 year will be counted from 15th September 2020 to 15 September 2021. But you need to be clear in your mind that this membership fee, which is we are paying initially at 50% discount. But next time when we renew, it is not 50%. And the question should not be arising that I need to renew. Now many times it happens that a student joined the class, but they took the IMA membership very early. And when they are joining the class, already 3-4 months are over. And they are not serious. And the further 7-8 months are also over. And then they are saying, Sir, institute is asking, why we are not reading the terms and conditions? Why we are not always, when we are doing anything, reading the thing? Suppose I have mailed. In the mail, I have categorically written that during the class, it is requested to all the students that don't switch on your audio and video. Written, but nobody will read. That's the problem. The reason is not that I don't want to, I mean to say it's a protection. When everybody will start saying then the internet will create a further issue at your place, at my place. And definitely, since I am dictating in the class, your things, whenever you want to say, is very less. So for that reason, it is better that audio and video should be in mute mode. If required, you can switch on, but nobody will read. That's a request from my side. Whenever you are doing anything in life, not related with study, first of all, read the mail, read the things properly, carefully, understand it, and then proceed. So according to me, the students should register around when they are ready for giving the exam 1.5 months, 2 months before that. Not first they will register with the IMA. What's the benefit? Why you want to reduce your 2 months, 3 months out of the total 1 year? That is not advisable. Now, what happens that most of the times up till now I have seen that this exam fee is $415. But if you are purchasing Wiley material, Wiley question bank, then this $415 is reduced to say this term when the students booked the exam. In place of 830, it was $600. In place of 622, it was $450. The two parts, 415 for professional, $830. But if you are having the Wiley question bank, then it was $600. 311, $622. But if you are having Wiley question bank, then in that case, it is costing you or $450. But there is no guarantee that in future this will be there. The chances are actually less. In future, whether it will be there or not, nobody can confirm. Why they are offering the discount for Wiley question bank, for Wiley material, I don't know. I don't want to go into this. But if you purchase any other question bank, you will not get discount in exam fees. But in future, the chances that if you purchase Wiley material, then also discount is not possible. Generally, according to my understanding. Presently, it is there. But if somebody will say that, sir, I am not Wiley or I am not IMA, what is the agreement or discussion is there? I can just say that presently it is there. In future, nobody can say. For doing registration as a first time, you can say after 1 month if you are doing or any time. Click enroll now. Under enroll now, if you are an existing user, then in that case, you just need to write your user ID and password. But if you are a new user, then it is saying register new, register now. When you are a new user, obviously they will be asking many questions. Still they are asking that providing the information about maybe we have done the registration earlier, we forgot, so they don't want to keep double email address. So they are asking, still you want to register new, but write your mail address so that the system will check that whether you are an existing user or not. Existing user does not mean that if I will register without paying fees, the 1 year will start. I am doing continue. So I have not written any mail ID. Since with this computer I have done the login earlier, so they are not allowing me. Suppose I will write now this mail ID I have never used here. Now this will be taking me to the new page, new registration. Okay. Now in this, I will be filling up my details, home, then whatever the details are there for filling up. Whenever you are filling something, that is my advice. After filling these details, take a screenshot, save somewhere that what details you have filled up, that in case any time you require that, you will come to know. I have read IMA's agreement, IMA statement of ethics. I have read and agree. You need to click all these, then only you will become the member. And then they will give you detail of the fees payment, which is entrance fees, membership fee, and certification fee. Membership fee is valid only for 1 year. Certification fee is valid for 2 years. Because you can take the certificate in 2 years because 2 years work experience is also required. Maybe for that reason. I'm not filling the details here because there is no point doing that. Then taking the exam. If somebody is already a registered member, he want to book the exam, then for taking the exam, the details are given. Register for an exam. I'm clicking register for an exam. But for registering, I need to give my email ID and membership number, which I received from the institute. Suppose, because it is written members only, members only. There is presently exam registration is going on for, you can say, not Chinese, 1 second. This is Chinese CMA program exam part 1, August to October. You can give exam August to October any day. Already registration is going on. Then January to February also is also going on. That means for the time being, November, December exam is not there. But as per my understanding, because of COVID, they will start the exams for October, November also. If they will find that the students are requesting, because of COVID all over the world, the exams are generally most of the places with high frequency. If you go for part 2 exams, if you go for part 2 January to February window, any all exams. But on the exam fees, there is no discount. And why it is not bold? Because the support at the rate of Saraf Academy is not a member. This is only for member. So if I paid the membership 1 year back, more than 1 year is over, I cannot pay the exam fees. I cannot book. First of all, I need to renew my membership by paying $250. Then I can book the exam. So I can say that the first we need to register as a new student on IMA website. I'm talking about those who have never registered. Pay entrance fees, which we can say as membership fees, and pay certification fees. Even though you are not getting certificate now, but they will charge certification fees. For professionals, it is 250 plus 250. Maybe slightly the figures are wrong. For a $500. Professional means already completed graduation. Already completed graduation. And for students, it is 188 plus 188, which we can say $366. Undergraduates. Undergraduates. This is for undergraduates. Generally, most of the times, presently the discount is not there. Most of the times, these fees are at 50% discount. So when the student should register as a member, or any professional should register as a member when the discount is going on. That's an advice. And they have already said that regularly they will be bringing the discounts in the domain. Presently, why the discount is off? Because generally, presently the students should not, because if they are planning the exam, they are planning in not August, September, October, like that. For that reason. Generally, the exams are not on August. It is September, October only. But because of COVID, it is in August also. And according to my understanding, I cannot confirm because I am not IMA Institute. It will be November, December also. They will incorporate. So we can say that when the discount is going on, then we should register. And we should register around 1.5 to 2 months, 2 months before, when we are ready for giving the exam. Okay. Now you need to take your call accordingly when you should register. If the 50% discount is there, suppose today they have announced, and you are registering now, you are doing wrong, because you are not planning to give your exams in coming 1.5 months, 2 months. So you are losing your period. So register when you are ready for giving exam in 1.5 months, 2 months, so that you will be able getting the entire 12 months period for your membership. For giving, for booking, exams, you need to be an active member. If you are not an active member, you can't book the exam. So if your membership payment was done 1 year earlier, gone. Pay again, and then only you can book exam. At the time of re-registration, they will not give any discount. According to me, they should not give. Reason being that when the course duration is 8 months and we have not completed in 1 year, we will never complete. It's not possible. According to me, the student will never complete. So he is wasting his money. When 1 year is over, understand that you are not suitable for the course, you should leave the course. Again, paying membership is not advisable. That's my understanding. So if they are not giving discount, that's correct thing they are doing. That is my. Maybe I am harsh, but you need to understand that if something need to be done in 1 month, I'm not doing in 1 month, that means I am a failure. If something need to be done in 5 months, I'm not doing in 5 months, that means I am a failure. If I'm starting a syllabus and I need to complete the syllabus into that period, I'm not completing, I'm a failure. So it's same thing applicable for everybody. So renewing the membership should never be arising in our life. The course is 8 months, 4 months, 4 months. We should be completing maximum in 12 months. Now, we have to practice. There is no option. From certified content providers question bank. I'm asking question bank, not asking the material. You can say that a bunch of questions of around 4,000 to 5,000 questions for part 1, part 2. And that we need to study from the certified. Certified means certified by IMA. Whether it's Wiley, whether it's Hawk, whether it's Glenn, it's upon you. The Wiley question bank cost INR 35,000. Now, if you go on Wiley website, there are different products they have mentioned. One is highly premium one is gold one is normal bronze one, and all that. Different fees are there, but we just require their question bank. Since we are already studying with me, I will be sharing all the notes and all that. So there is no notes of Wiley or anybody required. We just require question bank for practice. Others will cost 20 to 22,000. You can understand that where the Wiley question bank, which is pricing higher, around 13-14,000, that generally the Wiley is able to offer the discount in your payment of exam fees. So the compensated figure is 35 only. If you buy the others question bank, which is 22,000, you will not be getting any discount in the exam fees. So ultimately it boils down to that only. So there is no benefit. Just that personally, if you ask me, I like Wiley question bank better. The Wiley questions are more deeper, more depth, more structured. So I like that. So since I found that there is no loss to me, why not to go for Wiley question bank? But if we think that suppose they will stop the discount, which they may, then in that case, the Wiley question bank charges will be higher. because your total cost will be 10-12,000 more. But the question bank is required. There is a question bank which every student get from the institute. One second. In the getting started, if I am going in getting started, come out from the exam. One second. You will also become, one second. It is written on the websites only that once you register for exams, you will be getting for exams now. So it should be under exams. One second. Exam support package. New candidates joining the program receive access to CMA exam support package. That package includes retired exam questions. That means not every student who will register for exams, they will be getting a new exam support package. But retaker will not get. Only those who are booking the exam first time they will get. This exam support package is given to every students which is past exams questions of IMA exams. That exam package I have already. 2020 exam package. How I got? Any student who gave the exam shared the exam package with me. In this exam package, the questions are there. I shared with everybody because it's not that you need to register, because once the student register in every term, any one student share with me because they have doubts and everything. I save it and I give to everybody. If somebody will say that, sir, I have not received, go into that later. First of all, understand the registration and all that. So in this exam support package, you will say that there is exam practice questions in part 1 around 300, in part 2 300, 600, essay type question 20, 25, 20, 25. There is practice questions also they have added. I can say that in this package, around 800 to 1000 questions are there for part 1, part 2. 800 to 1000 questions are there for part 1, part 2. And essay type questions are more than enough. Those who have taken part 1 classes, they must have already realized that if their concepts are clear, essay type questions are not to be prepared so much deep. Your concepts should be clear. So for that reason, according to me, if you ask, if I am not a student who concentrate on mugging up, because by mugging up you cannot pass EMA exams. Whatever questions are there, not a single question will be repeated from anywhere in any book. Whether the CMA support package, whether the Wiley question bank, whether the Hawk Glen, any. Not a single question will be repeated in the exam. If my concepts are clear, if you ask me, the concepts can be cleared with these questions, 800 to 1000 enough. But that is for me. For a student, you require more and more questions. So generally, I advise that the question bank of the certified content provider should be purchased. So that is an additional cost to every student for purchasing the question bank. If somebody is very, very brilliant, then in that case not required, because the IMA support package is enough to cover the entire questions. But it is, you can say 20% of whatever you will get in either support package. 80% questions are more. So for that reason, I generally advise the students should have the question bank, which that they can practice the questions. And the third is our fees, which is optional. Optional, why I am saying it's not that everybody need to study with us or maybe studying with others. What others are giving or what we are giving, I am not questioning here. But just that our fees will not be changing for anybody. If it is changing for everybody. for both parts. That means when the student join with us, then we are charging 45,999 for both parts for our training classes, for our notes. The training classes, our notes, and recorded classes. Recorded classes. For this, we are charging, because I will not suggest that from any material you will be getting the concepts. The concepts you will be getting in the class. The concepts you will be getting from the material which I will share with you. You don't have to refer any other material, because if you can believe on me, and you have to believe because you have already joined, there are so many books I have. And I am teaching for more than 30 years. Most of the concepts are already there in my mouth. They does not require to be studied from anywhere. I can say at least 90% of the concepts. Some of the concepts I need to read from somewhere while starting the class, but that is very few. Most of the things I already know. So I teach in the class the way I share a notes which is detailed written, and then I will be using this slide in the class like I am writing something in the class. Once the class is over, you will get these slides. And every class I will be writing in this slide only. I will be mailing these slides, class slides up till class 1, class slides up till second class slides up till third class, so that anybody will join in between, he will be getting the entire slides. Because I think that I will not be able to teach unless and until I will go on writing something in the class. So that is helpful for understanding the concepts. Then the notes which I have already shared with all of you, we will again share, because I have asked my staff that share with all the students again. For our notes, for our class slides, for our classes, training classes, the fees is 45,999. The step according to me for becoming CMA, the first step, pay Saraf Academy fees. I am writing this assuming the student is going to join us. If you don't want to join or anybody not interested, not a problem, but pay Saraf Academy fees. Within next 10 days, buy question bank. Buy question bank. Once you register with us, within 10 days, you should buy the question bank. The third, before 1.5 to 2 months from the exam, register with IMA. So you can say that our fees is 45,999. Whether you purchase Wiley or not, doesn't matter. But if I am taking Wiley 35,000, then this is $600 presently going on for professionals. And I don't remember, $400 I think for students. If I consider 75 INR as $1, then 75 acha, 1 second. This is 250 plus 600, and this is 188. So we can see that if we consider $850 per dollar as 75 INR, if I am considering for Indian student, then 850 into 75 will give you around 60 to 70,000. And if you reduce this one 35,000 to 2022, if you go for Hawk, then in that case this will increase. Ultimately the same thing is there. So it doesn't matter whether I am considering Wiley question bank or anything. 46 plus 35, which is coming 81, and then you can see around 60 to 70,000, which is coming around 140 to 150. For that reason, I always say for a professionals, For a professional, 1,40,000 to 1,50,000 INR. For students, 1,20,000 to 1,30,000 INR. But in this, only one thing is constant, 45,999. Till the time I am not changing my fees. 35,000 today is there. Whether tomorrow it will be 35, I don't know. Whether the IMA will offer the discount or not in the exam fees based on Wiley or any other material, whether they will offer the discount for initial registration membership, nobody can guarantee, because how can I guarantee? I can only guarantee the first part, 45,999, no other part. I have this knowledge that what I will be charging, but I cannot give guarantee that Wiley will be charging this only, institute will be offering discount. So many times the student get confused. Sir, you said that. I am saying as per my understanding, teaching CMA US for last 7 years. It's not that what is happening for last 7 years will be happening tomorrow also. How can I commit that the IMA will charge 430 only for exam fees? How can? It's not possible. But they are not going to increase from 10,000 to 20,000 next day. That is not going to happen. So when we are taking a ballpark figure, 1,40,000 to 140, it is pretty clear. Whatever will happen, your cost will not be less greater than 150. In coming 1 year, I can see. For a student, it cannot be 1,20,000 to 130 greater than that. For students, they offer scholarship, which is written on the institute website, not for members. That is only for students. They offer scholarship. I am showing you, because many times a student calls, sir, मेरे को scholarship चाहिए. Review the requirement to become certified member. You will gain access to all the benefits. 1 second. Complete the part 1, bachelor's university related professionals for details. How to continuous years of professional service. 1 second. Interested in becoming CMA? I would like to receive emails. Core, the CMA has salary, about its salary. Let's 1 second put it here. Scholarship. Then it is better. One second. Scholarship and awards. Okay. When you go here, then there is scholarship is there for students, not for professionals. If I will click, I will get many things. I am not interested in doing that. But the scholarship is very, 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 very few students. I can say that in out of 1,005 students. At the same time, there are many documentation requirement that you need to get from your school, colleges where you are studying, so that you will be getting the award. In that, nobody can help you. Just that you need to follow the guidelines for scholarship, which they have said. If you are lucky enough, you will be getting, otherwise not. For professionals, there is no scholarship. Awards are there. If you score good marks and all that, that is other thing. But scholarship is there for undergraduates. But that scholarship criteria are very stringent and very, very few number of students. Very few. You can say in 1000, when I'm saying 5 students, it's actually negligible. Whether you will get that scholarship or not, I can't say. Generally, in case of a scholarship, the exam fees, the initial registration, most of the things are free. And if the student is study on their own, then the fees is also not there. Just that they need to procure the material. They can purchase the certified material, Wiley, Glen, Hawk, whatever, or they can think of taking the classes that they need to decide. But IMA will not charge for students under particular category any fees if they are falling in that category and they are offered scholarship. For a student, they offer scholarship around 5 out of 1000 students. You can refer IMA website for that. I will just say that whichever course I am doing, if I am doing ACCA, CIMA, IMA, US, CMA US, CPA, anything, I should be visiting the institute website on regular basis, not daily, but in 5-10 days I should be going what are the changes. Because if I'm getting any information on social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, and any, who said that that information is correct? If I will write something on the social media, that is my views. It's not institute is saying. So never rely on any information in respect of the institute on any social media write-up. Go on the website, you will get the correct detail. If you say that, I heard that, why you are hearing from somebody? Institute website is there. Go there, you will get understanding. That's, I can say that according to me, the registration process. I'm not talking about syllabus, part 1, part 2, how to study or anything. I'm just talking about registration process in IMA. Because there is a huge confusion in the entire world relating to registration of IMA. Today, I am more detailed as compared to whatever I said in any of the batches earlier relating to registration process. So that this video can be seen by anybody and will get the benefit that what is the registration process. In this, the first part, 45,999 is our fees. Anybody can join somewhere else or will not join the training classes, then 45,999 will not be there. But other fees will be there, whether you study on your own, whether you study whatever, because you require study material to study. So that's the registration process. And I can say that I was very detailed in explaining the minute details so that you can understand. So is there any doubt relating to registration process before proceeding to the next leg? Is there any doubt? Anybody? Because whenever in future you will ask anything, I will give this video to you. Without 2 years work experience, you can't get. In every course, not only this CMA, in every Indian course, every professional course, work experience is must. So if we don't get the work experience, we cannot get the membership certificate. We are getting pass certificate, we pass the exam, but we don't get the membership certificate unless and until we become graduate. And at the same time, we don't show the work experience. Yes, yes, Arko Dyuti say. The chances are less. It's not impossible, because when you are showing the certificate that you have completed a professional course without being a professional, without being completing the graduate, that shows that you have caliber. That caliber is there in front of me, because getting a membership is obviously required, but you cannot have the membership since you are undergraduate. So according to me, if you place your CV, you will be getting opportunities, but less than the members, because the members can show the work experience. You are a fresher. If I will say that somebody is a graduate, not worked anywhere, got the IMA you can say pass certificate, he will be getting job. Not that. I shared a video yesterday for ACCA students also. I will share with all of you if you say I don't know where, because somebody is are there in my group as CMA inquiry also, ACCA inquiry also. I have said in that video yesterday for around 20 minutes that the job is not based on your degree. Job is based on your knowledge. Degree just an entry. So if you are, you can say you can help an organization in the proper direction, everybody is ready to hire you. It's just that you can say that maybe you will get a job in 10 days or maybe in 1 month, 1.5 months. That's the question mark. But we will be getting opportunities in life. Yes, no. Unless and until both the things, that is graduation and 2 years work experience, is not over, we will not be getting the membership. We get the pass certificate, but we don't get the membership. Yes, Kaushik, tell me. So December 2020, they will ask. You can't do anything, sorry. In this, they will not do anything. They will charge annual membership fee again, $230 to $40. And if you don't pay, you cannot give the exam. I can say that why you have wasted your 7, 8 months. That's the problem. You should not. Once 1 year is over, as per the date, you must have the document. They will charge annual membership fee again. And if you don't pay, you cannot book the exam. Every student says that, sir, why I will join the class? I can get the member. अरे इंस्टीट्यूट में ज्वाइन करने से क्या आपका कोर्स हो गया? कहां से हुआ? आप मेरे साथ ज्वाइन करो या ना करो, वो सेकेंडरी है, लेकिन आपको इतना तो लॉजिक लगाना होगा ना कि समथिंग इज एनुअल मेंबरशिप. एनुअल मींस 1 year. 1 year over, gone. So mistake gone. Now think it's sunk cost. Think that what you can do best for this coming 5 months. At least clear one part exam. At least that you can do. So that half of the journey is over. Otherwise, the entire money will be wasted. You cannot register again because maybe you can use new email ID and all that, but your details are there already uploaded. You need to renew that only. Otherwise, everybody will do that only. Not allowed. They will track. It's not a problem. Earlier, you did the registration as undergraduate. Now you completed, but you are an existing member. So if you do anything, they will trap you. So you can't do anything, man. Yes. It is not me I am charging. I am just saying what is the procedure in IMA. And it is there in every course. ACCA, CIMA, CMA, CP, every course. It's not only here. It's not that the payment of annual subscription is only for CMA students. It's there for every student, every course student. All international institutes do that. Reason being that they are saying they are giving extra help regularly during the year. They require an annual subscription from the students. Once you become IMA member, then also you need to pay membership fee. So annual payment is always there. That will never forego. That will never stop. Nothing. No issue. Everybody will grow in life. You were a undergraduate, now graduate, doesn't matter. No issue. So there is no problem in that. So should we proceed now? Because the first part, registration process, is over. According to me, if there is any specific doubt, I can answer. Now done? Anybody has any? Be fast, please, sir. Everybody need to be very fast so that we can study more and more. Whenever you will ask anything relating to registration, I will give this video to you because I will upload this video on YouTube. And whenever anybody will ask, I will say, here this video. There is no shortcut. There is no shortcut for explaining the concepts that you need to understand in detail only. Okay?